What's up everybody, Dragonrider here, how you guys doing? Hope you guys having an awesome time. I had a wonderful time yesterday. I didn't record it, well I did record it, but the problem was that it was a bad recording. And I keep messing up what I was going to say. So I might as well just tell you here, as I'm on my way to town to grab some few stuff. Yesterday I had an interview with a forklift job that I applied for. Yes, a forklift job. It finally. The man called me on Thursday to say, oh, can you come to interview at 3 o'clock? And I says, yeah, I'll come at 3 o'clock. I had to get some reference letter, I think it's reference letter, and that's about it. But I did tell them that I have a motorcycle and I can't wear proper clothing because my motorcycle is my only transport. And the guy said, yeah, don't matter about that. I said, okay, I'll try to dress smart as I can. And you know, he laughed and he said, yeah, okay. And yeah, I went to interview. The guy said I passed, and I said he says that he will contact me. Well, I get contacted. Well, next week. I get contacted next week. So can't wait for that. I will find out where I'll be starting work. Well, I can't say that. I can't turn around and say that I did got the job. I will know when I got the job when I'm there working. That's when I know I got the job. Yeah, man, I can't wait. Literally cannot wait. So I'll be starting making my own money, baby. So yes, I'm really excited. It will put a smile on my face working. I'd like to thank one of my old team leader for doing a reference letter. Thank you so much. I am just so freaking happy that he did that. I can't wait to get myself a new LED, thank God. I just need the screws, but I go to every single hardware store. I can't even get a replacement for the screws. And I'm like trying to find out trying to find out what company it is so I can actually contact them and say, listen, I think you need to put some good decent screws on there because mine is bent from an impact and I had to buy another one. So yeah, it's really annoying. They can't find certain parts, but you have to buy the same product. Then you got two, but you can use it as spare or you can use it as a experiment. I don't mind doing something like experiment. I'll wait for him to come out. But look at this beauty. Nice. That's the bike that you only bring out when it's not going to rain. It's a nice day. And freaking take it to Sinnis or someplace. That's a freaking nice bike, beautiful bike as well. I got some few gifts from my grandparents. I might as well just send, well not send, but go around and drop it off. I think that is a Sinnis, because if I can remember right. I think someone was trying to sell our bike. I think, can't remember the name of it. Nice beautiful day. Even the big boys are out on their bikes. I actually got my grandparents a can of super malt. It was one of my favourite drinks when I was a kid. I actually really love that drink, super malt. I'm actually really cannot wait to start work. Really cannot wait to start work. So there's going to be like new gears, new cameras, and also I'll probably building my next gaming rig PC. I don't know if you guys will be seeing a video of me building it, but I don't know. I might do, I might not, but I'll think about it. Because building the PC and explain every detail, especially to people that who's like new into PCs, it's you know a bit hard to explain. So I thought I'd just let you guys know about the interview, and I did been running around getting some stuff, but for the interview the video just didn't come out right, so I had no choice to delete it. But I don't know if my camera was working when I left the premises when I done the interview. I will see what happens next week and find out if I do get the phone call to say, yeah, get your ass into work. Anyway guys, I'll speak to you all later. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check my other videos as well. There's loads of different videos, especially more vlogs, how-to videos and others. And don't forget to buy a sticker as well. So my name is Dragonrider. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright.